Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Selkirk Provincial Park, a peaceful spot along the north shore of Lake Erie in southern Ontario. As we drive through, you'll see a mix of forests, wetlands, and open spaces that make this park a relaxing place to visit. People have been connected to this land for thousands of years. Near the mouth of Spring Creek, archaeologists found pottery and charcoal from the Princess Point culture dating back about 3,000 years. This culture marked a shift from hunting and gathering to farming, especially growing corn. The park's landscape tells a story of ancient times. On the beach, you might notice two types of rocks. One is limestone, about 385 million years old, formed from ancient sea life. The other is gneiss, a billion-year-old rock carried here by glaciers from over 300 kilometers away during the last ice age. Established in 1967, Selkirk Provincial Park covers around 73 hectares. It's a quiet place with grassy campsites, a picnic area, and a pebble beach. The Wheelers Walk Trail, an easy 1.5-kilometer loop, takes you through forests and marshes, offering a chance to see local wildlife. As we continue our drive, take in the sights and sounds of Selkirk Provincial Park. It's a place where nature and history come together, offering a glimpse into Ontario's rich past and natural beauty. watching.